Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell, we're going to be doing a day in my life. I literally just woke up. Well, I didn't just wake up. I woke up like an hour ago and it's 12:57. So I have to brush my teeth, wash my face, and go eat. I know my lashes look crazy. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have this place on earth, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have this place on earth, take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up, having this place on. Alright y'all, so I gotta come outside to record because the house is just so freaking loud. So me and my little sister, we're gonna go clean my car because my car needs some cleaning. Because I'm saying I want a new car, I just feel like my car is just dirty. That's why I just want a new car because it's just so dirty. But I bought some decorations, so I'm gonna do some decorations in my car. After I clean it, I'm gonna clean the inside and outside because that car is dirty. I don't remember the last time I cleaned that car. Like, I feel like it was like last year January, yeah, January time. Hey y'all, so we're about to go to the car wash. I have my dog with me and I have my little sister with me. They're gonna help me. Well, my little sister's gonna help me not drink. It's pretty cold outside. It is 45 degrees according to my car.
You threw me off. Oh, when you threw me off. Last night I was so high, almost jumped out of the window. From a distance, I was thinking, if you ever need me, come see me.
Okay, so we're here, but I have to park and like clean out the stuff that I don't want them to throw out. So yeah, I brought plastic bags. Okay y'all, so sorry.
Pretty in pink.
Thank you. Not too much on my car, but I'm about to show y'all exactly what it looks like before. This is literally how my car looks. It's so dirty. This is all the trash that was in my car. Look at the carpet back there. A freaking mess. Like a mess. So my car is about to be cleaned and I probably might fall back in love with my car. This is how it looks inside, y'all.
Dream's over here acting a fool. Her jacket's coming off again. There she goes. They said that we couldn't sit inside the car, so at least we could watch it. Bro, please. At least we could watch her get cleaned, because she needs to be clean. Like,
Yes, she does.
ugh. So my car is clean now, and I think I do kind of like her now since she's pretty clean. I got the strawberry air freshener. I know people are saying like, oh, you don't take the whole thing out the pack because it lasts longer that way. It smells so delicious here, because y'all, my car, she's pretty now. We're about to go to Five Below because I think I do want to get a little bit more decorations for my car, because I'm gonna show y'all what I got. But yeah, let's hurry up because it's 4:33. Not too far from here. It's like 5-6 minutes away, so we're about to head over there. Okay, y'all, so we're on our way home now, and Dream is literally dirtying my car already because her paws are dirty. And it's just like, why did I bring her? She's dirtying my car. It's making me so angry, but whatever. We're going home now because I'm hungry. Hey y'all, so I'm about to show y'all what I got from, oh no, they're about to cut down the trees. My neighbor's tree. Let me show y'all first what I got. I got a new steering wheel cover because I'm tired of the pink. And I like the black. It's cuter and it's better to, it's easier to clean. Then I got this mount. I'm hoping that it could clip my camera so I could be vlogging. Then I got this phone holder. It's black. If you could tell, my colors are black and silver now. Then I got this silver thingy that goes right here. Yeah, it's so cute. But I just hope it doesn't blind me when like people have high beams on, because people be having high beams on and I just be blown. I got a first aid kit because I be needing band-aids sometimes, or like wipes or like alcohol pads, and just having this in my car is just, you know, for emergency purposes. Then I got this, but I'm not gonna change this today because I only got one and I forgot you need to get two. But it comes with the screws and like the screw cap covers. Oh my god, this thing smells so good. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take this off. Yo, these things be so hard to put on. See, like, I'm gonna give this to my mom to put in her car because she loves it. Because driving with the steering wheel with no cover on it is just so weird. But yeah, so hopefully this fits. These things be so hard to put on. I need to hurry up before they cut down this tree. It's too small. No, it's not. This just takes arm strength. Ow, I just bent my nail. I remember I had nails on the first time I had put that pink one on, and I couldn't do it at all. There we go. She's pretty. Now I'm gonna do this thingy. Well, I'm gonna put this in the little arm thingy right here. I gotta make sure I take all my trash out. Let me see. It's so tiny and so cute. So I'm about to put this on my little vet thingy. I hate holding my phone and driving at the same time because it's honestly distracting as hell. Yeah. So just push this in, and then I tighten this, and then I just slide it between. Okay. I think I gotta like open it. Ouch. How am I supposed to do this? I think I should put it right here. Okay, there we go. Focus. Okay. Let's see if my phone is gonna stay in there. Okay. Let me see if I'm on the phone. Can it? Okay. So I'm gonna take off my cap tassel, and I'm probably just gonna I'm gonna put it in here just to have it in my car. This is gonna stay on because this is my grandmother's praying beads. Oh my god, they're about to cut the tree down. I need to hurry up. And I'm already loving the black. And I've been seeing people put like the little bedazzle around like their push to start button. But I'm not gonna do that because they said that it messes up with the engine. I don't know if that's true, but I'm just not gonna take that chance. Ooh, I thought it was something that you put like a rope, but it's actually like stickers that you stick back here. So it's double-sided tape. So I don't know if I want it this way. Do I want it this way? I'm gonna tape it right here. I don't care if it's crooked, because who gonna know? This is so cute. Oh, so cute! Yay! Oh, I didn't do my mount. Look at me about to forget about the whole point of me redecorating my car. They didn't have a glitter one, but I honestly feel like this is gonna work. I know it's gonna work. Like, I just know it's gonna work. It's gonna work. All right, let's test it out. Right, like right here. Yeah, like right there. So I'm gonna stick this right here, and then lock it in place. Okay. And now, let's see. Okay, y'all are up on the tripod. I don't know if it's angled right, but let me get out my car and see. Okay, it's perfect. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm excited. I'm really, really excited now. Thanks for watching. I'm about to do like a little snippet of my car. I had to put my stuff away that was in the back. But yeah,